It's such a beautiful day.
Milo, how can you sleep on a beautiful day like this?
There's so many things to do.
Beautiful day.
Chores.
Beautiful day.
Pay bills.
Beautiful day.
I'm going to the beach.
I wish you could go with me, Milo, but I don't think you'd like the beach too much. Gonna stay home, have some kitty naps, some kitty foods, guard the house for me, try not to miss me too much.
All right, guys, so we have officially dubbed this a beach day, a beach vlog, if you will. The first thing we're gonna need is a beach bag. And in that beach bag, I'm so glad you asked, we will need a beach towel and a beach blanket. And definitely some sunscreen because your girl's looking a little pasty and I don't want to burn. So,
sunscreen.
Pretty sure what I'm wearing now isn't really good beach wear because I'd like to get a little bit more sun. So, next up we change into beach outfit. Here we go. Okay, that's enough of that silliness. I am dressed for the beach. I am ready to go. There's just a couple more things that I want to pack for the trip. Okay, so a couple things to add to the bag.
We'll need a good book to read. Boom, put that in there. Something to write on, something to write with. Okay, then we'll need some headphones, some gum, because why not? I'll just wear these in the car, and then of course you can't forget phone, wallet, mask, keys. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I almost forgot the most important part. We need beach snacks. Hello. So for my snacks, I have selected
a beautiful variety right here. We'll have a banana for a little fruit. And then these are so good. I have been obsessed. This is like a whole meal. Very good. And then a couple waters along with my cup, which is way over there. Meow! Good morning. Wow. I'm sorry. Yes, I am leaving. And no, you're not coming with. I know, but I still love you.
Okay, guys, looks like I have everything together, so it's time to hit the road. To the beach!
All right, we're switching to phone cam because we're living dangerously. About to get on the road. I have my 90s playlist on Spotify going today. The first song that's playing is the perfect beach song, Soak Up the Sun, Sheryl Crow. And yes, I know it's not technically a 90s song. It came out in 2002, but I don't want to hear it. It's still a good song. It's great for the beach, so I'm gonna listen to it. And here we go. Here we are, made it to the beach. Not so funny story, but someone actually got their car stuck in some loose sand. So if I'm a little out of breath, it's because I was out there helping with a couple other people in the parking lot getting their car pushed out of the sand pit or whatever, sand trap, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, so that was a little bit of an adventure. Glad we got them unstuck. That's a great accomplishment. Did my good deed of the day in the comments below. What was your good deed of the day? Hopefully you had one. If not, find one and let me know then. Anyway, so we have made it, and it is about 3:30 in the afternoon, which is a really good time because the sun's not too high or too strong, so I shouldn't get burnt, and that's always great when you go to the beach and do not leave with a sunburn. Okay guys, let's hit the beach. right, guys, so as you can see, I did not stay quite until sunset, but that's okay. Yeah, it was nice to get some fresh air, a little sun, get in the water for a little bit to cool down. Last week I had a little bit of a cold, so it's really good to just be outside and enjoy a day outdoors. I had my fun in the sun, and now I think it's time to head home. Thanks for joining today, guys. I hope you guys are staying safe, having fun. I will see you next time. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay bright. Bye!